Good morning. I am Madanachari, contract lecturer working at GPW Jogipet. In the previous class, we have learned about the dictionary and kinds of the dictionary. In this class, now we are going to discuss the basic uses of a dictionary. Okay, before we are going to use the dictionary, is there any we have to know what are the uses of the dictionary? Is there any use of dictionary? Okay, here we have mentioned a few uses of the dictionary as we follow. Okay, the first use of the dictionary is spelling. What is the first use of the dictionary? Is spelling. Here we have information. Okay, we should go through it. The head word itself is given in its normal spelling, printed in a bold. Head words are arranged alphabetically in a dictionary. Okay. While we are searching a word in a dictionary, first we should know the spelling properly about that word. If not, we cannot find out that word in the dictionary. So that my suggestion is everyone should be aware of the spelling. If we know the proper spelling, we can easily find out. Otherwise, we cannot. Okay. Then, okay, what is the first use? First use of the dictionary is the spelling. Next, then frequency information. Here we have an information. Symbols indicating how frequent the word is in spoken and written English. Means while we are searching that word in the dictionary, there are a few symbols are mentioned. By observing those symbols, we can understand how many times the word is used in our speaking or writing. Means the main indication of that word is frequency of that word. Means how many times we are using that word, how frequently the word is used in our colloquial language or in written. Okay, and the third use of the dictionary is pronunciation. Okay, pronunciation means what? Means how to pronounce that word. Generally, if we observed the problem of pronunciation while we are watching the news, while we are watching the English news or English movies, or while we are listening the cricket commentary, at that time we unable to catch the words what the commentator is speaking. Then what is the reason? The reason is only pronunciation. If we don't know about the phonetics, we cannot pronounce properly. Means the total pronunciation depends on the phonetics. If we know the phonetics, we can easily catch the pronunciation of the cricket commentators, or while we are watching the English movies or English news. Okay, the main reason is pronunciation, to not understand what they are speaking. So if we know the phonetics, we easily understand. Okay, the main use of the dictionary is pronunciation. Then the fourth use of the dictionary is word class. Word class. Word class. The word class means here it mentioned the grammatical part of the word. The grammatical part of the word means especially parts of the speech. Parts of the speech. Which kind of word it is? Means in parts of speech we have noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Okay, apart from these parts of speech, we have to, apart from this parts of speech, the word, it may be comes under any one of the parts of speech. Means here, if we selected a word, for example, I selected the word make. Make. It is a verb. Means this verb is in the part of parts of speech. Okay, like this, whatever what we have selected, whether it may be noun or pronoun or verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction or interjection, whatever it may be, the word comes under any one of the parts of speech. So that the fourth use of the dictionary is, while we are searching a word, there is a scope, there is a chance to know the grammatical part of the word. Okay, the fourth use of the dictionary is word class, means the grammatical part of the word. Okay, then the fifth use of the word sense. Sense means here sometimes it may be called as meaning. Okay, what we are searching in the dictionary, the word which we are searching in the dictionary. Okay, the main aim of the dictionary is to know the meaning of that word, Okay, while we are searching that word in the dictionary, we have to find out the spelling of that word, meaning of that word. Okay, means, okay, how many meanings it has, okay, so that while we are searching a word in the dictionary, we should know the sense means meaning of that word and how many meanings it has. Okay, then the next use of the collocations, phrasal use and the syntactic operation of the word, means the thing express only the usage of the word, head word means a head word or root word, usage of that word, how we are going to use that word in a sentence, means whether it may be in the form of the noun or it may be in the form of the verb. For example, smoking is injurious to health. Smoking is the noun. Okay, in this sentence the smoking is the noun. Then he is smoking. In the second sentence, the same smoking appeared as a verb, so that we should remember how we are using that word in a sentence. Okay, these are the uses of the dictionary. Okay, once again, the main uses of the dictionary is, first one is the spelling, then second one is the frequency of that word, and the next one is the pronunciation of that word, and the fourth one is the word class, and fifth one is the sense, and sixth one is the how we are using that word in a sentence. Okay, and these are the main uses of the dictionary. Okay, so that we have learned in this topic how we are going to use the dictionary and what are the uses of the dictionary. Okay, the main purpose of the dictionary to know something what we don't know, something what we don't know, especially vocabulary. By using the dictionary, there is a chance, there is a scope to enhance our vocabulary also. If we frequently use the dictionary, we can easily learn a few words from the dictionary, so that everyone should keep in your mind while we are reading an article or while we are watching a news, we should keep with us a dictionary, so that we while we are reading an article, if we don't know, if we find out the word which we don't know, immediately we should use the dictionary. Then we know the meaning of that word and easily understand the sentence of the article. Okay, these are the uses of the dictionary.